Now, I know what you're going to say by looking at the title, and when I say Gen Z, you're instantly going to dismiss it because you think, well, these aren't my guests. These aren't the people that are coming to stay with me. But did you know that as of 2022, Gen Z will be 25 years old? And this is why it's really important, because Gen Z, Generation Z, is going to be your next type of guest. These are going to be the next people that are coming through. Now, why is this? Well, number one, why are 40% of Gen Z employees planning on taking a workcation in 2022? Well, let's dig into it. Let's think about it. 25-year-olds now have got that disposable income. 25-year-olds now mostly are still living at home. They've got tons of disposable income. And if they're working from home, and if they are, not reliant on mortgages, if they're not reliant on bills because of what's happened over the last couple of years and how the whole work dynamic has changed, then they're going to have a bit of extra cash, and they are going to be wanting to take workcations. Let's dive into what a workcation is. Workcation is where you go and stay somewhere. Normally, it's between 1 to 3 hours away from where they're living, and they're going to mostly drive to it. They're going to stay somewhere where they can work as well as play. And so this is happening a lot. A trend that has popped up very recently is like mini vacations. It's basically every 4 to 5 weeks, so you don't suffer from burnout. You go away for 4 or 5 days. And this is happening more and more and more and more. So before you dismiss Gen Z, and again, people think Gen Z is teenagers. It's not anymore. This is the next level now. It's coming up to being your future potential guests. So you've got to be thinking, all right, so so many people now are going to be doing this. So many people are going to be traveling. If you're going to be targeting those Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday or however, if you're going to be targeting people workcation, what can you be doing to really appeal to them? Think about that first image, that unique selling photo, that first image that they see when they come onto the OTAs or when they land on your website. What can you show to show that you're appealing? And again, you could put workcation in the title of your Airbnb listing, because then again, it shows that you are speaking to them. Ideal for workcation. So you could have, talk about super fast Wi-Fi. If you've got your Wi-Fi speed, go into your properties where you are now, do a Wi-Fi speed checker on Airbnb, because that's what they are looking for right now. Upload that, talk about it. Do you have a little work desk put aside so they can have the laptop? Does it have all the things nearby, charging plug sockets, pens, paper, whatever it may be that will appeal to them? Can you go a step up? Can you have a ring light? A little mini desktop ring light, because people are going to be doing their Zoom calls or podcast interviews or webinars or creating content. So many Gen Zs now are creating content. They've got a YouTube or social media presence. How can you really make it simple for them? And again, what else can you be doing? So takeaways, recommended Uber journeys or taxi journeys or whatever, or places to go, places to hang out, places to check out. What can you be doing to make their life easier, and how can you be put in front of them? So don't dismiss the Gen Z. Okay, it's really important, and it's something that you should be really paying attention to, because this is going to be becoming more and more important. And again, at the end of the day, they've got the disposable income, and this could fill out your Monday to Fridays, the ones that you're really struggling to get rid of, because again, they're not restricted to just weekends. I know people, good friends of mine, that haven't been back into the office environment since March 2020. That's crazy. The working environment, the 9 to 5 is changing. Digital nomads, workcation, whatever you want to talk about, is going to become more and more present. All you got to do is look at the founder of Airbnb, Brian Chesky. He's currently staying in nothing but Airbnbs. He's moving around, he's working and traveling, and he's the head of a huge organization, whatever you think of it. So I offer and I throw out the question to you like I normally do. What can you be doing to making that your property can stand out more to Gen Zs? Leave a little comment below. What are you doing? Let's have a little brainstorm. If you're listening to the audio version, when it's safe to do so, jump over to the YouTube channel, the Instagram, the Facebook, wherever it may be. Let's start a discussion. Come and join the Hospitality Community Facebook group. If you haven't done so already and you want help with your customer avatar, go and get a copy of the book Direct Playbook, bestseller on Amazon, which is amazing. Over 1,000 copies have been sold right now, which is great. Please do make sure that you come and check out that, boostly.co.uk. For anything else. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode, but in the meantime, let's stay proactive, don't be reactive. Let's go and get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.